Hey, it's Dan. Here's what's new on monday.com for February 2023. Notifications Person Filter. Filter your bell notifications by person to easily locate the notifications you're looking for. Custom roles for account permissions. Enterprise admins can now tailor permissions by creating unique account-level roles. Add custom roles and permissions based on job title, department, or any other way you see fit. Copy item columns to sub-items. You can now copy column types from your parent items directly to your sub-items with the click of a button. Single mode view for widgets. You can now occupy your screen space more effectively by docking a widget on any board view, dashboard, or item page. Edit custom automation recipes. When editing a previously built custom automation recipe, you can now add or remove conditions, triggers, and actions. New dashboard creation flow. We've revamped the process of building a new dashboard, making it easier than ever to create the report of your dreams. And that's it. See you next month with more exciting updates.